QCY T13 Review. The new best ultra cheap earbuds. TWS True Wireless Earphones, under $25. 5 stars, 2 years after the brilliant QCY T5, the Chinese brand has done it again. Tremendous battery life, great sound quality, and adequate phone and video calls performance, the QCY T13 is a steal for its $25 price tag. QCY T13 features and specs. Bluetooth 5.1 with AAC codec. 7,5 hours listening on a full charge. Charging case can charge earpieces fully 3 times. Comes with 3 sizes rubber ear tips, English manual, USB-C cable. $25, buy on Amazon US, Amazon Germany, other Amazon countries or Ali. Design, Express, comfort and battery life. The QCY T13 has a simple design and feels well built for its friendly price tag. The earbuds are completely white and have a short stem. The oval part rests in your ears comfortably, without feeling very big, in medium-sized ears. It's doable to wear them for a few hours in a row, and they're in your ears snug enough to take a run or work out with them. While QCY doesn't provide a waterproof rating, their smooth and holeless design should make them withstand rain. The T13 battery lasts a long time, it delivers up to 7,5 hours playtime on a single charge. That's a fantastic score for this price, outlasting competitors like the Edifier X3 and M-Poundbit S and many more expensive earbuds as well. View full size. QCY T13 multi-point connection. JPG. The charging case can recharge the earphones fully 3 times before needing new power via USB-C itself. Or you can top up the buds in the case for 10 minutes, it will immediately get you up to 2 hours of extra listening time. The charging case is the least exciting part of the package, as it could have been smaller. Connectivity and controls. The QCY T13 has touch controls on the earbud's upper part, which respond well to your input. The control scheme is simple. Double tap L or R to play/pause. Hold R to skip to the next track. Hold L to return to the previous song. Triple tap R2 to activate low latency gaming mode. Triple tap L to activate the voice assistant. In the standard scheme, it's not possible to change the volume from the earpieces directly. However, you can change the controls via the free QCY app. As the T13 doesn't support a single tap, you can't have both simultaneously. However, you won't activate controls just by adjusting the earbuds a bit, that's nice. Connectivity on the T13 is solid. The Bluetooth 5.1 signal holds strong up to 9 to 10 meters away from your device, and it's easy to switch between listening from 1 to 2 earbuds at all times. There can be slight hiccups between the left and right bud, but these are rare. Calling and video quality. View full size. QCY T13 wearing fit comfort. JPG. It's safe to take a phone and video call with the QCY T13. With its 4 microphone setup, the QCY T13 picks up your voice well, loud and clear. Constant and darker surrounding noises such as distant traffic or accelerating heavy vehicles, are reduced well. Your voice can sound a bit softer when you're walking in the wind and there's a lot of noise around you, but other than that, you're perfectly audible. The call quality is best in class for its price. In video calls, such as Microsoft Teams or Zoom meetings, your voice sounds full, warm, and loud enough. The people you're talking to can occasionally seem a bit tinny and come with some crackles, but it doesn't stand in the way of the conversation. Watching videos is a breeze, with good synchronization between audio and video on Android and iPhone. With a triple tap on the right earbud, you can activate a low latency gaming mode which successfully reduces the delay in sound effects when playing games. App support for QCY T13. The free QCY app gives the T13 some extra functions, which is still pretty insane at this price point. The app doesn't require you to set up an account, although you may have to put the earbuds in the case and then take them out again to make all the app features work. Those features are: update the firmware of the earbuds, see a pop-up menu with the battery life on both earbuds, change the controls, select different equalizers, Find your earbuds on a map. Clean pairing records. As with previous QCYs, it's nice to have app support, but you shouldn't expect anything from the different sound equalizers. Whether you choose pop, bass, rock, soft, classic or set up your own sound via the 10-band equalizer, every change in the sound rules other frequencies out immediately, taking away the balance and the liveliness the T13 has out of the box. The QCY T13 probably has the biggest soundstage you'll encounter on a pair of very cheap wireless earphones. That means that music feels around you. Vocals are right in the front, and individual instruments and details surround you. For example, in classical pieces, violins can appear from your sides from afar, and in rock songs, drum sequences can shift from your left to your right. It's easy to separate layers in the music, and it's doable to position instruments as well. Listening to, say, a high-quality recording of a blues or jazz song can feel like you're in a pub listening to the live performance, a remarkable achievement for earbuds this price. Happily, the QCY T13 also nails the basics. The QCY T13 boosts the lower frequencies, which gives the sound a pleasant warm character. The mid-bass is elevated the most. Its pumped-up performance gives modern music genres like dance, pop, and electronic music thick, fat, rumbly bass strikes. It can be a bit too generous at times, and it lacks tightness, but the deep and strong hits definitely provide energy to songs. Female and higher-pitched male vocals are slightly forward and stand out from instruments surrounding them, yet upper mids and highs stay in control. Unlike other recent QCYs, highs roll off quite early and never sound too harsh or bright. Usually, piercing sounds like claps and cymbals don't penetrate your ears. Verdict: tremendous battery life, great sound quality, and adequate phone and video calls performance. The QCY T13 is a steal for its $25 price tag. 5 stars, excellent.